Are you getting Roku black screen? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Force start Roku. When you see Roku black screen, try to force start it. Unplug the power cord from your Roku TV. Wait for some time, then plug the power cord back into the socket. Power on your Roku TV. This process should help resolve any issues you are experiencing. Method 2. Check the remote batteries. Ensure the batteries in your Roku remote are not dead or low. If they are, replace them with fresh AAA batteries. If you are experiencing frequent battery drain, consider using a wall outlet to power your Roku device instead of the TV's USB port. Method 3. Check the screen. Check for any damage sign on the screen. Check for any unusual scratches or cracks. In this case, you need to repair it or get it replaced. So consult an expert to do that. Method 4. Check the connection. Locate the power cable that connects your Roku TV or monitor to the electrical outlet. Ensure that both ends of the power cable are securely plugged in. Verify that the cable isn't damaged or frayed. Make sure the electrical outlet you are using is functional. Plug another device like a lamp or phone charger into the same outlet to verify that it's working. If the outlet isn't working, try a different one. Method 5. Check Roku remote's battery. You may not turn on Roku due to old batteries of the Roku remote. So, change the batteries and see if you can turn on Roku now. If Roku still shows black screen after changing the batteries, go to the next solution. Method 6. Check the cables. If you are still getting Roku black screen, ensure that the HDMI cable is not physically damaged. Unplug each end of the HDMI cable on the Roku player, TV, AVR, or soundbar, whatever you have. Then check for any physical damage. If there is any sign of damage on the HDMI cable, replace it immediately. If there is no sign of damage, disconnect and reconnect it. To do so, make sure that the Roku device is turned on. Disconnect the power cord from the source and disconnect the HDMI cables. Wait for a few minutes and then reconnect the power cords first. Then, turn on the Roku device and reconnect the HDMI cables. Make sure the cable is connected firmly and there is no loose connection. Now check if the problem is solved. Method 7. Try a different port. You can also check the HDMI cable using a different port when you are getting visual issue on Roku. Sometimes the HDMI port may be faulty. So, plug the cable into a different port and then check if it works. Method 8. Try a different monitor or TV. Connect your Roku device to a different TV or monitor that you know is working properly. Use the same HDMI cable and ensure all connections are secure. Now check if the Roku system is working. If the system works, then there is a problem with the TV or monitor. In this case, you need to replace them. Method 9. Use official adapters only. Using third-party power adapters can indeed cause issues with Roku and even damage your Roku device. Stick to the official Roku power supply to ensure compatibility and safety. Look for any labels or markings on the adapter itself. Official Roku adapters typically have the Roku logo and model information printed on them. Visit the official Roku support page and check the images of their official adapters. Compare these images with your adapter. Method 10. Contact Roku support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can contact Roku support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide additional guidance. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting steps or arrange for a replacement device if needed. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku black screen error. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.